Hi, we're here to do a little bit of salt dough craft with you today. Say hello, Izzy.
Hello.
So, Izzy's going to help me. Right, so I've already made the dough, but I'm going to, it's over here, but I will tell you the ingredients that went into it. So, in here, this is the dough, okay? And in it was 2 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of salt, and let's move Alfie out of the way, 1 cup of water, warm water from the tap. Okay, and you put it all in and you mix it all together. We just mixed it with a spatula, and then you knead the dough and it becomes a bit like biscuit dough really, but you wouldn't want to eat this because it's very salty. Okay, so, and then what we are wanting to do is break off a little bit like this, and then we're going to roll it flat. So,
I can do that.
of course you can. So let's pop a little bit, there we go. You're going to roll it flat for me then, Izzy?
I only talk when you say my name.
Yeah,
I only do it when you say my name.
I know.
Because I'm not actually allowed to be. I'm not actually supposed to be in it.
You are supposed to be in it, but you're helping. Just for the mummies and daddies out there, I think this is about the 5th time that we've tried to film this so far. I've had all sorts of random comments coming out of my little helper. Oh, that looks beautiful. So we've had a new rule where we only talk when I ask her a question. Right. Okay, so, and what we're going to do is I'm going to use, because Izzy's hand is quite big, because we're going to do a handprint decoration, I'm using this bowl to cut out a shape. So I just kind of push it down, wiggle it around a bit, and there we go. So, then take off the excess and put that back in the bowl, and you can use it for something else. Now, then you're left with your circle. So Izzy, put your hand in there, and we're just gently going to push it down. Push down all the fingers so that we get a nice imprint. Okay. Does it tickle?
Yeah.
And then that looked beautiful. And then I've got a pencil here. Well, it's an orange crayon actually. And I'm going to use the blunt end to make a hole big enough for some string to go in, because this is probably a bit big to go on a tree, but it's a nice decoration for something to keep, or you could even do something like a calendar tab on the bottom or something like that, so you can keep it all year round. And then we are going to,
What's this one?
in a minute, going to get some baking paper and the baking sheet, and you pop it in. You pop it in the oven on 150 degrees for about an hour, okay?
Can we do glitter?
Yeah, we're going to do the glitter now. Izzy's saying, can we do the glitter? Because in true Blue Peter style, here's one we made earlier. So, we're going to decorate ours today with glitter, but you could use paints or Sharpies or anything really, but because it's Christmas and I like a bit of glitter, we're going to do glitter today. So, I've got some PVA glue. This is our PVA glue from home, and I'm going to put it into the shape of the hand, okay? Is that alright, Izzy?
Yeah, mine is really big. And don't forget all the holes.
All the holes.
Yeah.
Which holes are they?
My hand.
Oh, you mean where your hand's gone? Right, well what I'm going to do is you're a more organised person, you would have a paintbrush, but I haven't got a paintbrush, so I'm just going to smooth it over all of the handprint.
That was quite messy.
It is quite messy. That's why I really should have got a paintbrush, shouldn't I? Right, are we ready for this? I thought it would be nice to do it in gold and green because gold and green are quite Christmassy, aren't they?
Yeah.
And also, what are the colours of the big children's school uniform?
Green.
And
Golden.
yeah, green with a little bit of golden writing on it. So, I'm just going to borrow this baking tray because it's what I've got to hand. However, you could use your just a plate or something. And then, Izzy, we're going to do it the shaking like we did the other day, okay? So I'm going to just shake it all over. Go on then, you shake yours over. That is a lot of glitter. Is that it? We're using all of the glitter today. Right, let's see, shall we? Ooh. And look, there is Izzy's glittery handprint. And you can see up there, there's the hole, so we can put some string in. I'll go and get some wrapping string.
We need wrapping string.
Okay, so I've got just a length of, I don't really know what it's called, like the foiled ribbon that you have on presents. The kind that you can carefully, with an adult, run the scissors along and it goes all nice and curly. So, I'm going to pop this in here and tie it off at the top. Guys, you're going to have to get a grown-up to help you with this.
You're helping me.
I am, yeah.
And so that's safe.
And there we go.
Kevin.
You don't have to do a handprint. You could do anything really. You can do any shape. But the salt dough is really so easy to make. Remember, it's 2 cups, and I use this as my measuring cup. It's 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and 1 cup of warm water mixed together. Okay. How many cups of flour, Izzy?
2.
How many cups of salt?
1.
How many cups of water?
1.
Fab. Okay.
And
Well, have a lovely, lovely day, and I shall see you all again for our next video. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Say bye, Izzy.
bye.